Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix Instagram DMs glitch. So without any further delay, let's get right on the video. So first of all, what you have to do is check for updates in the Play Store. Let's go to the Play Store at first. And now let's search for Instagram. Search for Instagram and open Instagram, and as you can see there is no update option. If there is an update option, you simply tap on update and wait for it to update. And now what you have to do is simply clear the caches of the application. Now in order to do so, what you have to do is go to the settings at first and scroll down and go to apps, and at the second option you can see manage apps. Simply tap on that, and now what you have to do is simply search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram, and at the bottom right corner you can see clear data option. Simply tap on clear data and now tap on clear cache. And now what you have to do is simply tap on OK, and your caches will be cleared. And the last thing that you have to do is restart the phone and then open the app, and the problem you're facing will be solved. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions and need further assistance, please feel free to comment down and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for tuning in, and until then, goodbye.